Hi Shopkins fans.
Hello.
Today we're going to unbox the collector's edition Shopkins, and we're also going to
We
open.
don't get any repeats this time.
Yeah, and we're also going to open up this cute little unicorn from Happy Places.
We got a lot about unboxing stuff.
Alright, my brother's gonna hold the camera for me. Make sure your finger doesn't cover up anything. And I am going to open up the unicorn first.
Okay. She's pretty.
Oh, well, oh, wait, no, you need scissors to cut this tape off.
We should just keep it everywhere. Good thing we got the scissors up here.
Oh my goodness.
That's finally.
So we got her out, and her name is Tropicorn.
Tropicorn.
She goes in the tropics, so we're gonna put her right there.
You see, guys.
And we have like this little
Checklist. Happy Places. Oh, Lizzie.
So there's for Tropicorn, there's either going to be a beach bag or flower crown. So let's see what she comes with. The flower crown.
Oh, I like the flower crown. What's your shotgun on that?
Very cute. There's a little peckin on it.
Cool.
So
Love
put that
peckins.
on her.
Peckins are so cute.
Yeah. So there we go.
She's riding it.
We're just gonna put this stuff over there, I guess. Now we're gonna open up the collector's edition.
Wow.
Let's hope we don't get many repeats.
Like the last collector edition video.
Yeah, that was horrible.
And hopefully this one is not that hard to open.
You do have to cut a little bit.
Really? Wait, tear that thing apart.
Whoa!
And everything falls down.
Alright, before I open
That's what
those, I'll show you
Another
the checklist.
Why is so much checklists?
So, here, I'm just gonna go real fast so I can get this video done. I'm sorry if that sounds weird.
It sounds cool, actually.
Alright, that was the checklist. So, let's see, so we're gonna open up those last. So,
What? Too many shots. What we got in here?
So, we got Roma Tomato.
Is that a repeat?
She's from season 3, and she's not a repeat. She's a new one.
You got her as regular shotgun, not collector's edition shotgun?
Yes, I do have her as a regular Shopkin. But this is collector's edition, so it's not duplicate.
I know.
These have like little medallions on them.
Yeah.
And this is the little, like, can sort of thing she came in. Well, I mean, she was, like, not hidden in the box like the other ones are, but this is what she was supposed to come in. So we're gonna open up Easy Clean. So you're gonna flip this over upside down and take that off. So just gonna like poke a hole through this. Ooh, look who we have.
Who is it?
This is Fishy Liquid.
Here, bring it up closer. Where is she? There she is.
Yeah, that's Fishy Liquid. She is shimmery. She's very shimmery and sparkly.
Cool.
So we're going to put the lid back onto here.
You can see, guys.
And put that right here. Let's open up the candy one now.
It's probably toast or something. So
It's not going to be toast because this says candy mix.
Oh, so far, no repeats.
Ooh, ooh, she's cute. Sally Poppins. She's from season 1.
Season 1?
Yeah. And then Roma Tomato, she was from season 3. Fishy Liquid is from season 2.
Alright.
1,
Season
2, and
what?
3.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put this back in there.
Funny.
I think this goes in like that. So that way it's spread out. Maybe, I don't know. So let's see. Oh no.
She fell.
It fell. Put this little thing in. It will go in. Put this little like horseshoe on. It's like shaped like a horseshoe.
Is there more in there?
It's only lollipops.
Was she where? Common?
I will check on the checklist.
I think she's a rare.
Alright, that horseshoe's not going to go on. So that's the best it's getting. Oh no, everything's falling over. Whatever. We're going to open up the Happy Heels now.
Is that a shoe?
Heels are shoes.
I obviously know that. I don't know that. I mean sarcastic.
Let's see. Ooh, she's cute.
Sneaker, where'd you have her? Wait, do you have her? I know you have her as a regular shotgun. You have her in a collector's condition?
Mm-mm.
Okay. She's
She's
cute
Sneaky
though.
Sally.
She's cute.
Yeah, and in this one, I guess her eyes are open.